Hi, this course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Teves is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. You're watching video 14 that discusses verbs. You may visit our YouTube channel to view other videos. A verb is a word or group of words that denote action, state of being, or condition. Examples: the policeman chased the eluding criminal. Denotes action. An archipelago consists of several neighboring islands. Denotes a state of being. Most families in the city have at least one TV set. Denotes a condition. The following are classifications of verbs. According to meaning, these are transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. According to form, verbs are classified as regular verbs and irregular verbs. A transitive verb requires a receiver of the action to complete the meaning of the sentence. Examples: please close the windows. The word windows receives the action of the verb close. The technician fixed the computer. Computer receives the action, fixed. An intransitive verb does not require a receiver of the action. Even without it, the meaning of the sentence is clear. For example, the mall closes at 9 p.m. The sun rises in the east. A linking verb is used in a sentence in which some word or words in the predicate describe or name the subject. Examples: the student became restless. The verb became links the word restless to describe students. Our family physician is Dr. Smith. The verb is links Dr. Smith to physician. You look so beautiful in that gown. You will be successful someday if you work hard today. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. These are the verbs that help to express the tense, mood, and voice of other verbs. Sometimes a word or more separates the helping verb from the rest of the verb phrase. Examples: the suspect was illegally detained. The word illegally separates the verb phrase, was detained. I will never see him again. The word never separates the verb phrase, will see. A regular verb forms its past tense or past participle by adding d, or ed, to its base form. The ed sound is fully pronounced only when d or t precedes it. Examples: head, headed. Paint, painted. Otherwise, the ending is pronounced d or t, such as bother, bothered. Work, worked. An irregular verb does not form its past tense, or past participle, by adding d, or ed, to its base form. Examples: am, was, been, do, did, done, bear, bore, born. Voice of verbs. The verb is in the active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. Examples: the cat chased the mouse. The subject, cat, is the doer of the action, chased. Mother baked the cake. The subject, mother, is the doer of the action, baked. The verb is in the passive voice when the subject receives the action. Examples: the mouse was chased by the cat. The subject, mouse, receives the action, chased. The cake was baked by mother. The subject, cake, is the receiver of the action, baked. Use the passive voice in any of the following situations: when the doer of the action is not known or withheld for reason of privacy. For example, the policeman was shot to death. The criminal was jailed. When the doer is less important than the action. For example, a reward was given to the honest policeman. A big diamond was mined in Africa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-fi page.